Hi, in this video we're going to show you the new feature for the Bing AI chat where you could actually upload an image and then you could have the AI chat work with that image to ask questions about it and that type of thing. So if you're in Edge, you could just go to the Bing chat up here, make sure you're on the chat section, and the Ask Me Anything box. If you click on this box here, there's Add an Image. So you could paste the image or link or upload from this device. So I'm going to upload one here. Let's say a picture of this boat here. Let's see. What kind of boat is this? So there's its response to what kind of boat it is. And then, of course, you could go into more details about answer from the web instead, the price, how many people can it seat. Let's see what this says. Then you have some other links to get you some more information. Okay, now let's try the same thing, but we'll use a link. And then we could ask, tell me about this. Let's see what it says. And now you can see sometimes you'll get this answer where it cannot see the image you sent. Not sure why it does that, but I've noticed it'll do this even with images you upload. Okay, let's try another one here. Okay, so now you'll see it actually went to this picture here instead of the one I just did here. So let's try it again. So once again, it's skipping it, and it could be because of this here. So we'll try another image of something that is not a face. Okay, so you can see it blurs the dog face as well, so I guess a face is a face. I guess it doesn't matter if it's a person or an animal. So let's try something else. All right, so that seemed to work better. And then we have some other images too for suggestions, and then some links for suggestions as well, and then some other questions we could use to get some more information about it. So as you can see, it's not a perfect process, but it does okay depending on what you're looking for. So if you're searching for faces or animals with faces, you might be out of luck. But it seems like the other images seem to work okay, whether you're uploading them from your computer or copying them from a website link. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.